Fujian Xinhong Mech and Elec Company Limited was established in 2011. It is one of China's leading modernized manufacturer and marketer of heat press machines and sublimation blanks. Xinhong has focused on R&D, production, sales, and service. The factory owns a over 14,000 square meters industrial zone, including more than 9,000 square meters workshops. Due to strict quality control and considerable customer service, Xinhong team members are always able to meet the customer satisfactions. The production lines are equipped with the most advanced mechanical facilities, such as Belgian CNC laser cutting machine, punching machine, and various of molds to realize full automatic mechanical production. So far, Xinhong has covered 7 series, more than 150 models of heat press machine, also provide one-stop service for various kind of sublimation blanks. Good experience in OEM and ODM service ensures Xinhong provide customized products no matter heat press machines or rosin press machines. At present, Xinhong has passed ISO 9001, CE certification, etc. Based on the strong technology power and reliable services, our products enjoy extensive reputation both at home and abroad. Our annual output exceeds 75,000 units. The export accounts for 91%. They are popular in the United States, South American, and European countries. Xinhong teammates warmly welcome friends from worldwide to establish cooperation based on mutual benefits and better understandings.